Hello. Oh, hi. My cat says good morning. My hair is all fucked up, but it is 8 p.m. on December 18th and we are going to film Vlogmas Day 18. I'm going to be making this. My cat is on the binder. Okay, we're going to be making this crocheted beanie for fun. I bought this pattern and I haven't got to use it yet, so let's dig through my yarn and find some yarn to make this with. Hi. Okay, so here's what we're doing. Here's what we're gonna do. I have a mini Dr. Pepper and this is the color. It looks more orange, but it's like a carrot color. Okay, wait, maybe this isn't a good color. I was going for like the picture that I showed you, but I mean, it's close. Okay, we'll just make it this color. So, shouldn't be that hard. And if I don't like the color, I can just make another one in a different color or something. I'm giving myself Dr. Pepper because I've had 2 waters. And I've had 2 waters today and I worked out for like an hour and a half. So, I'm gonna drink a Dr. Pepper. And it's a mini one, it's not even a full one. I read the pattern and it looks easy. So, it looks like it should be an easy thing. The fan is too high. So wow, so the book I'm currently reading right now is Normal People by Sally Rooney. There's actually a TV show on this book, so I'm gonna watch the TV show while I crochet. So when I read the book, I have like faces, you know, to put to the characters. Okay, we're just gonna get started.
We're not getting distracted by the fucking window, right?
Sorry, am I disturbing you, my man? No.
The Google Pixel 6 takes it to the next level with tools like Magic Eraser. If we have any unwanted subjects,
No.
Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back. Okay, so yarn over. Insert your hook.
Area of interest already.
Yarn over.
Yeah, that got forms too soon.
Yeah, I'm aware.
Yarn over. All 3 loops. And the thing I like about this stitch is it's a little fatter, a little puffier, a little taller than the single crochet. But because you do, it's sort of a natural motion. So you do that.
It's just that.
No. Excuse me.
What are you doing?
Do you know who that
Excuse me.
Go pick up Gerard and Gary Duff. You know about him.
Are you serious? You get drenched.
Right. Shit goes for you, pal. Maybe we should learn to drive. Well.
Hey, hello. It is 11 p.m. This is how far I've gotten on the beanie. This like, it's like ribbed. It's supposed to go like, it's a work in progress, okay? I tried to watch Normal People. I didn't like it. I got one episode and I changed it and I watched Hustlers. And Hustlers is over, so I made dinner because we're eating 3 meals a day, right? 3rd meal, dinner, and my 3rd water bottle. And we're gonna find something to put on while I crochet the rest of this, but it is taking like so much longer than I thought and my hand is cramping up. Teriyaki bowl, it's a leftover one I made earlier for, this is what I made for lunch. Well, 2nd meal today. This is just leftovers.
Why should I care about appearances and labels anyway? I mean, all that really matters is what's on the inside, right? I don't understand why you even have a host club like this.
So I should have paid attention to the, oh, let me pause this. I should have paid attention to the size of the yarn that was used in this pattern, because the size I used was smaller, a lot smaller than the size used in the pattern, because I made my beanie. It is it's a tiny beanie. It's so little, like for a kid, like it wouldn't even, oh no. But now I know how to do a beanie. It's a working beanie. It's so cute, except it's tiny. Well, it is really cute. Damn. It could literally just be like, could be like a mitt or something. No. Maybe? No. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. My llama has a hat. I crocheted my llama a little hat. Okay, so I'm putting my stuff away from crocheting and I can't find my stitch counter. It's that thing that was tied on the pink string, and the whole time I was sewing, Princess was trying to take it and run away with it. But I didn't think she got away with it, but I'm cleaning up and I literally don't see it. Literally don't see it. Dude, did you take, I think she took it. Oh my god. It was in the hallway. The little shit dragged it all the way into the hallway. And now she's just cuddling as if she's not a thief.